Hey, what's up guys, it's Chronic and welcome to my first vlog again. Was the other one a vlog? I don't know. If this one's the first vlog, I don't know. But I'll be taking you guys along to show you my progress of my second shoot. I couldn't bring you guys on the first one. I felt a little bit overwhelmed per se. But yeah, I'm pretty hyped, so yeah, let's show you guys. Alright, so we're gonna be heading to Port Adelaide. It's basically like a industrial area. It's pretty dead there. So I think the shots that we can take are going to be pretty sick. I've already thought about like I think 2 or so locations with a set of like dead roads to do rolling shots, but yeah, it should be pretty good. Got to the location. We're gonna go scout B-roll and see how we're gonna film. It's pretty dead, thank God, like for the weekend. So this should be interesting. I really like the leading lines, which I'll show you in a demonstration. Basically, the lines that lead up through the building. Hopefully that can help line up the shot for the car. And sadly enough, that's where the vlog ends. Reason being is that during halfway through the shoot, a freaking huge ass mosquito came down and bit me on the bloody head. And I had this freaking huge mark on my head. I wasn't gonna go around filming looking like Pinocchio on my head. That would have been low-key embarrassing. So I was like super discouraged after that, which hence why I stopped vlogging. But I will be doing a documentary voiceover commentary thing for you guys, so hopefully that will suffice for this vlog around. But next time I definitely need to vlog a lot more and actually finish, so thank you guys. I got to the location about 30 minutes prior to shoot the B-roll. I find that the B-roll helps shape the video in terms of the location and the overall setting and theme. First location comes around and I start to film my first couple of shots. A little bit rusty, well actually rusty throughout. Like this whole thing is still a learning experience for me. But this area, I feel that like I fucked up a lot, and there was probably about 5 out of 20 shots that was usable. So I put this location as my second location since like the shots weren't that good, unfortunately. Location 2 comes around and it was a freaking savior, man. Like after the first clip, like I realized, well, the first location, I realized that I stuffed up, like that there wasn't many clips that were good or that I was happy with. So location 2 definitely had to step up my game, and I felt like I did. There were a lot of mistakes as well, but a lot of usable clips that I quite enjoyed, with a mixture of long range, middle to close range to under the hood, and next would be the B-roll of Brooke walking. Basically, I like to have like a little definition in all my videos. I mean, if you've subscribed, you've seen it before, but it's just, I feel that it helps shape the video and kind of tells the story of the car or the person, or maybe both. Fast forward from there, it was time to do the rolling shots. Basically going from Port Adelaide to Garden Island, we were gonna do rolling shots, and the shitty thing about that is that the roads there weren't 2 lanes. There were just 1 lane on each side. And I basically got my friend to drive on the opposite side of the road so we can film the 86. Now, I was hyped, and getting the shots for the 86 was sick. But until I looked back at the footage, it was freaking overexposed, man. It looked like trash and I couldn't use it. And the shots after that, before coming to the island, it was either too underexposed or too overexposed, and like the screen of the A6500, it's the glare on it is so bad, I couldn't tell the difference. So it was a major yikes, but it was fun doing it, I guess. Location 3 comes around, and it was actually a pretty cool place. It was like this little lake with a park. Or was it a park with a lake? Man, I don't know. But it was a cool place, nonetheless. I got Brooke to park close to the docks, if that's what it's called. I'm not too sure. But I was just there for location 3 to get different shots, but it kind of seems all to be repetitive after like 2 locations prior. But it was pretty cool. Like, I was pretty happy with the shots that I got. And later on, there was another widebody 86. I didn't really film it because there was a photographer already there. Didn't want to steal his thunder or anything. But that was pretty much the last and final location of the shoot. And last and finally, we did the final rollers to get outside of the island. And it worked pretty well. Like, the sun was close to golden hour already, and we're kind of fighting the sun when shooting, but overall we got some pretty solid shots. And that was pretty much it. Like, that wrapped the whole video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, I know I stuffed up a freaking dude. The mark on my head was massive, man. It looked like someone just hit me in the head. The mosquito bite was so bad. But next time, I definitely want to vlog. I fucked up. But next time, you guys will see a vlog. It'll be sick. I just wanted to say a big thank you to Brooke and Jason for letting me film your car. Like, it was such an amazing experience. I had so much fun filming, looking, and hearing the car. It was just freaking amazing. And yeah, if you guys like the video, feel free to comment, like, you know, whatever everybody does. Like, it means a lot to me, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.